Good morning everyone, welcome back. In our previous video we have discussed about signs and symptoms of stress. Today we will discuss in detail sources of stress and effects of stress on psychological functioning. Let's start with sources of stress. A wide range of events and conditions can generate stress. Among the most important of these are major stressful life events such as death of a loved ones or personal injury, the annoying frequent hassles of everyday life and traumatic events that affect our lives. So first source is life events. Changes both big and small, sudden and gradual affect our life from the moment we are born. We learn to cope with small everyday changes, but major life events can be stressful because they disturb our routine and cause upheaval. If several of these life events that are planned, for example, moving into a new house or predicted breakup of a long-term relationship, occur within a short period of time, we find it difficult to cope with them and will be more prone to the symptoms of stress. So, changes due to life events such as moving to new house and breakup of a long-term relationship cause stress. These are life events. Next is hassles. These are the personal stresses we endure as individuals due to the happening in our daily life, such as noisy surroundings, commuting, quarrelsome neighbors, electricity and water shortage, traffic snarls, and so on. Attending to various emergencies are daily hassles experienced by a housewife. These are some jobs in which daily hassles are very frequent. These daily hassles may sometimes have devastating consequences for the individual who is often the one coping alone with them, as others may not even be aware of them as outsiders. The more stress people report as a result of daily hassles, the poorer is their psychological well-being. Next and third one source is traumatic events. These include being involved in a variety of extreme events such as a fire, train and road accident, robbery, earthquake, tsunami, etc. The effect of these events may occur after some lapse of time and sometimes persist as symptoms of anxiety, flashbacks, dreams, and intrusive thoughts, etc. Severe trauma can also strain relationships. Professional help will be needed to cope with them, especially if they persist for many months after the event is over. So these are effects of extreme events such as fire, train, road accident. All these events are traumatic events. These are sources of stress. Next, we will start effects of stress on psychological functioning and health. What are the effects of stress? Many of the effects are physiological in nature. However, other changes also occur inside stress individual. There are four major effects of stress associated with the stress state, like emotional, physiological, cognitive and behavior. So these are stress. Stress influence to our body and mind both. So effects of stress we will discuss. Start with emotional effects. Emotional effects. Those who suffer from stress are far more likely to experience mood swings and show erratic behavior that may alienate them from family and friends. In some cases, this can start a vicious circle of decreasing confidence, leading to more serious emotional problems. Some examples are feeling of anxiety and depression, increased physical tension, increased psychological tension, and mood swings. As presents the phenomena of examination anxiety also. These are emotional effects. Depression, increased physical and psychological tension. Next is physiological effect. Physiological effect: when the human body is placed under physical or psychological stress, it increases the production of certain hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. These are hormones secreted from particular glands. These hormones produce marked changes in heart rate, blood pressure levels, metabolism and physical activity. Although this physical reaction will help us to function more effectively when we are under pressure for a short period of time, it can be extremely damaging to the body in long-term effect. Examples of physiological effects are release of epinephrine and norepinephrine, showing down of digestive system, expansion of air passages in the lungs, increased heart rate and constriction of blood vessels. These are examples of physiological effects. Next is cognitive effects. Cognitive effects of stress are poor concentration and reduced short-term memory capacity. If pressure due to stress continue, one may suffer from mental overload. This suffering from high level of stress can rapidly cause individual to lose their ability to make sound decision. Faculty decision made at home, in career or at workplace may lead to arguments, failure, financial loss, or even loss of job. Cognitive effect of stress are poor concentration and reduced short-term memory capacity. As we are try to read something, try to learn something, then this type of effect we face. Next is behavioral effect. Behavioral effects. Stress affects our behavior in the form of eating less nutritional food, increasing intake of stimulants such as caffeine, excessive consumption of cigarette, alcohol and other drugs such as tranquilizers, etc. Tranquilizer can be addictive and have side effects such as loss of concentration, poor coordination and dizziness. Some of the typical behavioral effects of stress seen are disrupted sleep patterns, increase absenteeism or reduce work performance. These are some effects of stress on psychological functioning and health, on our body and our mind. So these are effects we have discussed today. Next time we will go further. Thank you.